Hi, today we are going to learn about plotting coordinates on all four quadrants. First of all, what are coordinates? Coordinates are defined as the pair of numbers which specify the position or location of a point or of an object on a grid. Now what are quadrants? A quadrant is an area contained by the x and y axis. There are four quadrants in a graph. What are different axes? First one is the main horizontal line is the x-axis. The main vertical line is the y-axis. Coordinate grid showing quadrants. Characteristics of four quadrants. In quadrant 1, x is always positive and y is also always positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative whereas y is positive. In quadrant 3, x is negative and y is also negative, whereas in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Now how do we write the coordinates? We write the coordinate x first and then y coordinate within the brackets. Coordinates at the center. The center point is called the origin. This is the point of reference for the rest of the coordinates. This is neither negative nor positive. Now, how to plot the coordinates for the given points? Here, the x-coordinate of point xy moves the point along a horizontal line. If the value of the x is positive, the point moves x units towards the right side. And if the value of x is negative, the point moves x units towards the left. The y-coordinates of the point xy moves the point along the vertical line. If the value of the y is positive, the point moves y units in the upward direction, whereas if the value of y is negative, the point moves y units in the downward direction. Now, let's learn with the help of an example. Find out the coordinates of A, B, C and D here from this given figure. Point A. We can see that point A is in the second quadrant, which means x is negative and y is positive. We will move 3 units towards the left from the origin and then move 3 units up. So the coordinates are -3 and 3. Point B. We can see that this is in the first quadrant, which means x is positive and y is also positive. We will move 3 units towards the right from the origin and then 2 units up. So the coordinates are 3, 2. Point C. We can see that this is in the third quadrant, which means x is negative and y is also negative. We will move 3 units towards the left from the origin and then 3 units down. So the coordinates here are -3 and -3. Point D. We can see that this is in the fourth quadrant, which means x is positive and y is negative. We'll move 3 units towards the right from the origin and then 1 down. So the coordinates are 3, -1. Let's try a question. The coordinates of point A and B are, here as you can see that the coordinates of point A are -3, 3 since it is in the quadrant 2, whereas the coordinates of point B are 4 and -3 since it is in quadrant 4.